Oh no, we have a snake spotting. There's a snake. So it turns out it's screwed up pretty massively. You come from over there, that's the bottom of the hill, and then you should just stay here on this path. I thought this is the temple. Hello guys, from the jungle here on the outskirts of Chiang Mai, Thailand. I'm totally out of breath because I don't ever hike. This is like my first hike in years. I go to the gym, but I don't hike. Anyway, I feel like a fish out of water, but either way, I'm going to show you guys my favorite things to do in the nature just outside of Chiang Mai. This is what they call the easiest type of hike, and I do have to say it's not too steep or difficult. However, it is so hot today. Even though it feels cooler here in the jungle, it's still kind of a lot. This place is pretty busy today. I'm walking past a lot of people that are hiking or running up, and this is supposed to be about a half an hour hike. This place is called Monk's Trail because there is a temple and I believe a waterfall at the end of it. I didn't bring any swimsuit, to be honest. I didn't even pack any, so I might have to buy that for the next hike. But look at this. I'm currently making my way through some underwood. There's just a random hole in the ground that goes to a valley. How cool is that? You know, the jungle in Thailand is awesome. And I know there are animals around. You usually find elephants in the jungle. They just roam around freely. And also, of course, there are snakes, lots of pit vipers, and other types of snakes. However, this is so busy. And also, it's the early afternoon, not snake time. So I don't think we'll find anything here. Not that I like snakes, but it would be pretty cool to find one. I'm on my way to a little stream here by the roadside, and it's a bit of a waterfall in itself. Not really. I don't think that would classify as one, or would it? But it's definitely very pretty. Intermittently, every now and then you get these steep parts where you need to climb and have a slightly better level of fitness. However, it's still nothing to worry about if you have two working legs. Okay, it's actually getting pretty awesome now. It's pretty low and steep. Whew. Let's see, I want to beat this in under half an hour. So very mindful and very demure. But I'm gonna skip that and go to the Anagami temple. It is pretty steep at this point, to be honest. It's like a ladder. It's important to know your limit, whether it's for drinking or hiking and fitness. I know mine, and I know I'm pretty close to it. Why is it so steep? Can't even see it, but... Whew. Holy... That's what I just climbed. But you know what? This is dedication to content. I just waited here for 5 minutes. I'm ready to move on. We're just gonna push through and get there. No way, did we make it? Oh no. 3 kilometers go to Doi Sutep. Oh please. No. Alright, I'm at a temple. Was it worth the pain and the sweat? Yeah, probably not. But either way, it's pretty cool. We're in the jungle. It looks a bit like Temple Run, the game. Also, there's a bell, which I'm not going to sound because that would be probably disrespectful and offend some gods. We don't want to offend some gods. But the temple looks pretty neat, I'd say. There's a little pond. And yeah, just a really nice Asian jungle temple here. There's a sleeping doggo over there. There he is. Let me zoom in. Oh, he woke up. Listen to the jungle sounds. That's crazy. I wonder what animals these are. If you're a friend of the nature, please let me know in the comments. Because I am certainly a rookie when it comes to hiking. Alright, I sat down in a little cafe here. Got a pink milk, very traditional Thai drink. It is very sugary. Also got a bottle of water. So now we are just relaxing here. Some very nice butterflies around, very like blue, deep blue butterflies. Pretty awesome place. Once you're up here, I think it's actually worth it. So I'm gonna find a different trail to go down, and then we'll see if I still have some energy to do anything else. Granted, I'll make it down. Oh man, that's actually really rough. I just put some water over my head to cool down. Took my shirt off, but going down is not any easier than going up. It's cooler. It's definitely not as bad, but you really need to look where you're going because you can easily slip and die. So we're gonna have to be very careful here. Super slippery. We have a snake spotting. There's a snake. I can still see it through the bush. Alright, I don't know if you can see it on the video. I'll try to zoom in as much as I can. But there was a snake there. I don't know what exactly that was, but I don't think that was venomous. I do think I know all the venomous snakes here in Asia. And that looked more like maybe, I don't know, small rat snake or something of that sort. I'm not really scared of the snakes here, unless it's a cobra or pit viper. Alright, I'm back at the easier part of the track and I'm going back up because I didn't have enough. This is definitely not as bad, and I can totally make this one, and I think this should be a waterfall and another temple at the top of this hill. Yeah, I feel much more refreshed now and not like deaf anymore, so that's fantastic. Okay, we're entering the temple now. Okay, we somehow made it to the temple now. I took a wrong turn. I just found that out. But you know, why do it the easy way if you can do it the difficult way, right? So it turns out I screwed up pretty massively. I should have just followed this path, but there was a sign leading to another temple, and I thought that's the temple I need to go to. And then I accidentally turned off to the extreme difficult hike instead of staying on the easy one. This one is literally a baby hike. I've seen a small girl do it, and it would not have been an issue whatsoever. I made it though. I made it. I'm very proud of myself. I did 2 hikes today technically. But yeah, there's no energy left. I'm gonna go down and then take a bike to go back. I survived though. This is what I mean. You come from over there, that's the bottom of the hill, and then you should just stay here on this path. I thought this is the temple that they meant, and it even says Mindfulness Hill and Anagami Temple. So I went up half an hour, 500 meters. I thought, yeah, sure, that's not a problem. Well, I was wrong. Either way, I'm very proud of myself. I conquered both hikes, and I think I'm good with hiking for a while. I don't think I need another one for a few weeks. I will go on some more hikes though, because it's actually kind of nice. I just need proper hiking shoes. I need some swim trunks to go in waterfalls and stuff. And then, yeah, I just need to increase my fitness level. You know, I'm not at a low fitness level, but I'm not good with hikes. That's the only problem. I don't do hikes ever. So I need to change that. If you want to see more hikes on the channel, guys, subscribe. Before we get down from this trek, I want to show you guys Mindfulness Hill. This is, apparently it's a Buddhist place. It's just a rock, really, in the jungle. Kind of nice, but very unspectacular, considering what I've just witnessed further up. Oh my god, we've made it. I want to kiss the ground I'm standing on. We've made it out of this trek. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I will now go back to my place to have a very relaxing shower and then go eat something. If you enjoyed me suffering, please hit the like button, subscribe, and there'll be a lot more from Southeast Asia in the next weeks and months. See you soon. Bye for now.